Alright guys, what up? It's your boy Doughboy right here. You see me? You see me? So anyway, the thing that's going on right now is so basically my little brother, he why is it making my skin look so fucking oily? So basically the thing is my little brother don't believe me when I say he be snoring pretty loud. So I'm finna show y'all niggas how he be snoring. Crap, they playing music messing it up. Alright guys, that was my little brother and how he be snoring so much. Sorry for my eventual curse words. I will edit that out, bleep it. If y'all didn't hear, and if I didn't, well, I'm sorry you had to hear it. But anyway, I'm about to be jump cutting back to the bathroom. So, yeah. Alright, so, yeah, back in the bathroom. That's how, oh, shit. Oh, man. I almost dropped the phone. Bro, that would have sucked so bad. Well, yeah, I told you this brother be snoring, man. He be snoring real bad. Anyway, that's a video right there. Deuces, man.